म्यूट करके रखिए, जब आपको कुछ बोलना हो ना तो ऑन। ठीक, चलो।
Good evening, sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Hey,
Good evening,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Hello. I hope you can hear me, right?
Happy
Good
Teachers
evening, sir.
Day,
Happy
ma'am.
Teachers Day. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Happy Teachers
Day, sir.
ma'am.
Happy Teachers
Good evening,
Day.
ma'am.
And will anybody tell me? Maybe was it one of you guys who sent me this gift online? Because I do not have the name of the person. Hello, Fahad. Fahad from. Hello, Fahad. Fahad, where are you from, Fahad?
Patna, sir.
Yeah, right. Danapur, right?
Yes, sir.
And is Irshad your friend here? Irshad,
Yes,
is
sir.
Fahad your friend?
Yes, sir.
I see, I see. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry I started late today because of the celebrations and the people who were visiting me. Okay, so students, where do we start today? The text that we were reading. तो दोस्तों, सोमवार को, say it in English.
In the Monday, on the Monday.
Hey. Yes, guys. सोमवार
On
को.
Monday.
On Monday, not on the
On
Monday,
Monday.
Atif. On Monday, okay? And see, this is why speaking English is difficult. ठीक है? English बोलना इसीलिए मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि हम phrases नहीं बना पाते आसान, okay? अगर हम आसान phrases बना सकें तो it will be very easy for us to form sentences. Sentences word से नहीं बनते दोस्तों, sentences phrases से बनते हैं. Words को arrange करना आसान नहीं है, phrases को arrange करना आसान है, okay? मंडे की इस सोमवार की सुबह को, तब सोमवार की सुबह में कैसे बोलेंगे?
Monday morning.
Hey, good शबनम, very good. On Monday morning, right? Easy. तो जब हम ऐसे इंग्लिश के phrases दिमाग में लाने लगे आसानी से, things become easier. चीजें आसान हो जाएंगी बच्चों. तो आप सब इसी बात का ख्याल रखिए that you need to form phrases like this. इसलिए पढ़ते समय इन पे ध्यान दो. Let's read. There are thousands of them. There are thousands of them. In this sentence, them refers to what?
Stars.
Yes. Okay, Irshad, I'll just check it out. Irshad, have you sent me a direct message or in the group?
No, sir. Direct message. Yesterday.
You sent it yesterday. Okay, just a second. On Telegram?
Yes, sir.
Irshad, 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 Irshad. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Most people I know. Hello, Renu. Most
Happy
people I
Teachers Day,
know.
sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Most people I know, not most of the people I know. Most people.
So what's the difference between two of them?
Okay. Normally what happens? Normally you see, when you're talking about a specific group, okay, most of the students I have in my 330 batch. ये एक ऐसा question है ना, dear Arshad, which is going to be very tricky for you, okay? बहुत मुश्किल होगी. There is a concept, beta. Concept says कि जब कोई definite group या definite noun की बात करें, then we use the article the, okay? So let's say most teachers. When I say most teachers, I mean all the teachers in the world, okay? When I say most teachers, I mean, I'm talking about teachers in general. ऐसा समझिए, I'm talking about teachers in general. When I say most students, okay, then I'm talking about students in general. When I say most girls, then I'm talking about girls in general, not a definite group, not a specific group, okay? I'm just saying most girls. Most girls are close emotionally to their mothers. Okay, when I said most girls are emotionally close to their mothers, in this sentence, I'm talking about the girls in my class or girls in general?
Girls in general.
Girls in general, right? But when the word is used, when you are talking about a definite group, a specific group, so when I say most of the girls in my class, okay? Most of the girls, अगर मैं कहूँ most girls की जगह most of the girls, okay? Now this phrase most of the girls doesn't refer to girls in general because I'm saying most of the girls. ठीक है, यहाँ the girls मतलब a definite group, okay? यहाँ the girls मतलब a definite group. अब जरा सुनना. Yeah. In my class, I have boys and girls both. In my class, I have boys and girls both. Most of the girls are married. Most of the girls are married. अब बताओ ये the girls कौन girls? Girls in general or the girls in my class?
Girls in your class.
Right.
Girls in your group.
Because of the context. मैंने context create किया था ना? That I have boys and girls both in my class. Most of the girls are married. यहाँ पर अगर मैं बोलूँ most girls are married, तो चलेगा क्या?
No, sir.
Nah, because most girls refers to girls in general. And I'm not talking about girls in general here. I'm talking about the girls in my class only. Okay? So most of the girls are married. Most of the girls are married. I hope you understand, Irshad. लेकिन
Yes,
ये
sir.
जब मैं I have in my class करके बोल देता हूँ, तो मैंने definite तो ऐसे भी बना दिया उनको. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास दोनों options हैं. Most girls I have in my class are married. यहाँ पर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Most girls
Most girls.
I have in my class. क्योंकि जैसे ही मैंने कहा most girls खाली तो सारी लड़कियां जनरल, लेकिन जब मैंने लगा दिया उसमें I have in my class, तो अब मैंने उसको restrict कर दिया ना इरशाद?
Yes, sir.
गौर से सुनिएगा. दूसरा एग्जांपल देके सुनाता हूँ, ओके? Most clothes, जब मैं कहता हूँ most clothes, ओके, तो clothes in general या कोई खास clothes?
No, general.
Clothes in general, most clothes, ज्यादातर कपड़े, ओके? लेकिन अगर मैं अपने कपड़ों की बात करूं, तो मैं कैसे कहूंगा? Most clothes I have. Most clothes I have. अब यहाँ I have लगाने से मैंने most clothes को क्या किया? Restrict कर दिया. Restrict करना समझ रहे हो ना? Limit कर दिया. मैंने कहा most clothes I have, okay? अब आप कहना चाहते हैं most of the clothes I have, तो ये हो गया डबल, उसी चीज को 2 बार करना। मेरी बात सुनिएगा, okay? I have a lot of clothes. Most of the clothes are cotton. अब बताइए कौन से कपड़ों की बात कर रहा हूं मैं?
कॉटन
Cotton.
कपड़े।
ना 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 ना, मैंने कहा I have a lot of clothes. I have a lot of clothes. Most of them या most of the clothes are cotton. तो यहाँ पर कौन से कपड़ों की बात हो रही है? कपड़े इन जनरल और मेरे कपड़े?
आपके कपड़े
तो
कपड़े।
most of the clothes मैं बोल रहा हूँ, most of them बोल रहा हूँ, या most clothes I have, 3 हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं अलग अलग तरह से रेस्ट्रिक्ट करने के। तो जब आप मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लोथ्स बोल देते हो, फिर आई हैव बोल करके डबल रिस्ट्रिक्शन डाल रहे हो, ये थोड़ा लेंथी लगता है, ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग नहीं है इरशाद, ओके? इट जस्ट साउंड्स अ लिटिल अननेसेसरी, ओके? तो लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा नेचुरल होने की जरूरत है, इसलिए आप अपने किसी चीज की बात करो तो रेस्ट्रिक्शन के लिए वो क्लॉज यूज कर लो, आई हैव, शी हैज, काफी है। जैसे some relatives I have, ठीक है? अब इसी को दूसरे तरीके से बोलना हो तो मैं कहूंगा some of my relatives.
Some of my relatives.
Most relatives I have, इन्हीं को, इसी फ्रेज को दूसरे तरीके से बोलना, इसी आइडिया को मैं बोल सकता हूँ most of my relatives. Some of my students are very hardworking. Some of my students are very hardworking. तो अब इसी बात को मैं बोल सकता हूँ some students I have are very hardworking. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Does it make sense, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब मैं इसको ऐसे बोलूं some of the students I have, अब गलत नहीं बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है? अब गलत कहीं से भी नहीं है। Some of the students I have means हम उन स्टूडेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, the students I have, उनमें से कुछ की, ठीक है? Some of the students I have बोल सकते हैं, but why? Because you are adding 2 words which you can drop. आप सिर्फ कह सकते हैं some students I have, बात वही है। तो why use unnecessary words? You understand what I mean?
Yes, sir. Understand.
So the other is not wrong, but it is unnecessary to say those 2 words. तो वैसे ही most of the clothes I have के जगह most clothes I have. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. And where are the rest of the people? A lot of people are absent. I started late today because of the people I had in the class. They visited me on the day, this is a special day today, Teachers' Day. A lot of people like visiting their old teacher. So some of my old students also visited me. Okay, Fahad and Shazia, please be on camera. Fahad, it is something that we do. We are on camera, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you are Muhammad Sheikh, right? Fahad Sheikh, right? Fahad? On Telegram, you are with Sheikh, Muhammad Sheikh. Is that your ID on Telegram? Fahad, your ID on Telegram, what is it called? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Sheikh is your ID, right? On Telegram?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
I see. Okay. All right. So that was a very, very valid question, Irshad. You know, that question, if it came to your mind, I can only tell you that you are thinking in the right direction. आपके मन में खुद से आया ये सवाल, इरशाद?
Yes, sir.
Lovely. जब आप सही क्वेश्चन सोचने लगते हो दोस्तों, तो टीचर बहुत खुश महसूस करते हैं, okay? It was a very valid question, a very, very interesting question. And a lot of people will feel confused with that, okay? Let's see. Now, she says, I'll continue reading. I go to bed at 10. सोने जाना का English बेटा?
I go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed means सोने जाना. Go to bed means सोने जाना. So learn phrases like this, okay? Go to bed, okay? I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10 and sleep for 10 hours. Now, again, we have another phrase. 10 घंटे का English बेटा?
10 hours.
No,
10 hours.
no संयोगिता
For
मैम,
10
no.
hours.
Yeah.
For 10 hours.
कोई भी काम आप करते हो ना? Remember, Jamie Cullum plays the piano
Yes,
for
sir.
a couple of hours, right?
Couple of hours.
For a couple of hours, okay? So remember, she sleeps for 10 hours. She sleeps
For
For
10
10 hours.
hours.
For 10 hours.
Hours.
every day. I teach you.
1 hour.
No,
No, sir. Sorry,
come
sir.
on.
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
For 90 minutes, for an hour and a half, right? I teach you for an hour and a half, for 90 minutes, right? I teach you for 90 minutes. Now in Hindi, for के लिए कोई हिंदी नहीं चाहिए. We don't need Hindi because हम आपको हर दिन 90 मिनट पढ़ाते हैं. I teach you 90 minutes की जगह for 90 minutes. I go to bed at 10 and sleep for 10 hours. How long do you sleep, guys? Usually.
I
How
sleep for
long do you
7
sleep?
to 8 hours.
Yes, good, Irshad. Very nice. Other people, come on.
I usually sleep 8 hours.
Very good, Sanyogita ma'am. Very nice.
I usually sleep
I
8 hours.
I usually sleep for 7 to 8 hours.
Very good, Apurva. Very nice. You usually sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Okay, that's nice. So, guys, this 4 is an important word. You should practice it. Okay. How long do you sleep? I sleep for about. How long do you study English on a day? On a daily basis? For about 2 hours a day. Understand? I study English for about 2
2
hours.
hours.
2
Yes,
hours.
like that. I hope you understand for this expression for 10 hours. फिर से आपके नेचुरल हिंदी बोलने वाले के दिमाग में आएगा 10 hours, लेकिन हम लोग क्या सीख रहे हैं? For 10 hours, okay?
For 10 hours.
I go to bed at 10 and sleep for 10 hours. On Saturday morning,
I
on
do office work
Ah.
for 8 hours.
yes, on Saturday morning, right? On Saturday morning, देखा फिर से आ गया ना? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने पूछा था शनिवार की सुबह में कैसे बोलेंगे? On Saturday morning.
On Saturday morning.
हिंदी और इंग्लिश में कई बार there is difference. हिंदी में सीखा on मतलब पर, तो कई लोगों के दिमाग में on वर्ड नहीं आएगा अपने मन से. Okay? They need exposure. अगर उनको बार बार सुनने को मिले, exposure मतलब कोई चीज बार बार सुनना या देखना, उसी को exposure कहते हैं. Okay? Experience करना. So on Saturday morning, when I get up at 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I can hear noises. I can hear noises. Make sure it's not noisy from your side, people, okay? On Saturday morning, when I get up at 8, I'm very hungry. Okay, everybody? On Saturday morning, when I get up at 8, I'm very hungry. Fahad beta, I want you to translate this sentence into Hindi. Can you please tell me, on Saturday
sir.
morning, when I get up at 8, I am very hungry. I am very hungry. Can you please translate into Hindi?
जब मैं सुबह शनिवार को उठा तो मैं बहुत भूख महसूस कर रहा था.
Okay, lovely, very good. लेकिन ये past tense नहीं है, देखो. When I get up, जब मैं उठता हूँ,
उठती हूँ सुबह तो
Hello,
मुझे
Archana.
बहुत I am very hungry.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you.
बहुत
So nice of you calling me and wishing me. Thank you. I'm just fine in my class actually, because it's an online class, so I didn't cancel it. I thought the students are all at home, so I can teach, Yes. So maybe I'll be free at 8:30. Okay. Yeah. You're at home, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Rani just visited with Ritu. They left about 15-20 minutes ago.
I also out.
Yeah. Never mind. Never mind. Thank you for calling anyway. I'll talk to you later. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care, Archana. Bye-bye. Okay. I go to bed at 10 and sleep for 10 hours. On Saturday morning, when I get up at 8, I am very hungry. Apurva, I am very hungry. How do I translate? I'm very hungry, Apurva.
मुझे बहुत भूख लगती है.
बहुत अच्छे बेटा, बहुत अच्छे. I'm very happy that you tried to stay away from मैं बहुत भूखी हूँ या मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ. Okay, because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, Anish. अगर कोई इसकी हिंदी ये करता है कि मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ, मैं बहुत भूखी हूँ, तो that person is not learning at all. Trust me. वो इंसान नहीं सीख रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसने सब चीज छोड़ दिया. देखो, on Saturday morning, when I get up at 8, I'm very hungry. शनिवार की सुबह जब हम उठते हैं, when I get up at 8, कैसे बोलेगा कोई मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ या मैं बहुत भूखी हूँ? कैसे कोई बोल सकता है?
मुझे बहुत जोर से भूख लगी होती है.
Lovely, okay? This is exactly what the translation is. I'm very hungry. मुझे बहुत जोर से भूख लगी होती है. अब आप बोलो, ठीक है, कि जब हम सुबह उठते हैं तो हमको भूख नहीं लगता है. जब हम सुबह उठते हैं तो हमको भूख नहीं लगता है, डॉक्टर साहब.
Get up and
When I get up in
When I get up in the morning,
the
When I get up in
morning,
the
I get up
morning,
in the morning,
I'm
I am not
not
very
feeling
hungry.
hungry.
I'm not hungry. I'm not very hungry, okay?
I'm not very
I'm
hungry.
not very hungry. I'm not hungry. So Dr. Saab will say, don't worry, I'm giving you this tonic. Please take this tonic twice a day, 2 spoonfuls, okay, each time, and you will start to feel hungry. You will be hungry in the morning, okay? So, एक और sentence सुनाओ. I'm not hungry in the evening. I'm usually not hungry in the evening. Say it in Hindi, my dear students. I'm usually not hungry in the evening. Yes, Shabnam?
ज्यादातर मुझे शाम में भूख नहीं लगती है.
Exactly. Everybody, now say it in English. ज़्यादातर मुझे शाम में भूख नहीं लगती है. Say it in English.
I'm not feel hungry in the evening.
I didn't say that. And you made a big mistake.
Usually I don't hungry in the evening.
Hungry is an adjective, Atif. Hungry is an adjective, beta. अच्छा, आप लोग क्या जानते हो? I am hungry कि I hungry?
I am hungry. Because hungry is the adjective.
Hungry is an adjective, right? तो क्या बोलोगे? सुबह में मुझे भूख नहीं होती है.
ज्यादातर मुझे शाम को भूख नहीं लगती है.
ये कैसे बोलेंगे?
usually I'm not hungry in the evening.
Easy. Very good, Zeba. This is what English is, okay? English is easy. If you guys try to understand English, English is easy. Renu, the sentence is, I'm not hungry in the evening. I'm usually not hungry. पूर्वा बेटा आपने am भी use कर लिया, feel भी use कर लिया, blunder, okay?
I am not hungry in evening.
In the evening, right? I'm usually not hungry in the evening. Right,
Feeling
everyone?
is a wrong word, sir. When we use, I'm not
Now
feeling hungry.
it depends. You see, this is a sentence in the present simple. मुझे नहीं लगती है. एक बार की बात है या बार-बार की बात है? पूर्व में आप रेनू?
बार-बार.
तो present simple या present continuous?
Present simple.
So I don't feel hungry. क्या I am not feeling hungry?
I don't hungry.
I don't feel hungry, okay, people?
I don't feel.
तो यही महसूस करने की बात है कि एक feel verb यूज करो या be verb यूज करो. बात एक ही है ना? I am not hungry in the evening. I don't feel hungry in the evening. I hope you understand, everyone.
Yes.
So please don't mix up both the sentences. Beta, switch off that fan. Yeah. I am not hungry in the evening. अच्छा, आप ये सब कैसे सीख सकते हो? सिर्फ इतना ध्यान देके कि hungry, when you read the sentence, I'm very hungry. Hungry is an adjective and the verb is be, okay? I can hear noises again. I can hear noises. Shabnam, it's from your side. Yeah. Okay. I am not hungry in the evening. I'm never hungry in the evening. Okay. I'm never hungry in the evening. So, guys, hungry is an adjective. I don't hungry बोल सकते हैं क्या? I don't hungry?
No, sir.
No,
No,
not
sir.
at all.
No, sir.
I'm
Because
not hungry.
yeah, I'm not hungry in the evening. I don't feel hungry in the evening. I don't.
I don't feel hungry.
Feel hungry in the evening.
Yeah,
Feel
please.
hungry.
Feel
I
hungry.
don't feel hungry in the
In
morning.
the yeah,
In the
like that.
evening.
Yes. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anshu beta. You woke up late, huh? You
Yeah.
celebrated Teachers' Day in bed, huh? Sleeping.
No, yeah, happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Sana, you also joined late today. A lot of people are absent. Half the class is absent.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sana. Okay, guys, let's continue. And we have a new student in the class. She took admission today. Her name is Nishat. I don't know why she's not in the class. She will join the class tomorrow, maybe. Nishat Fatima. Yeah, she will join us tomorrow. Okay. Anybody whose English is not very good, when they join the class, the only message I have for them is have patience. Okay. Patience is a great virtue when you are learning a language. Going, impatient, getting impatient is not gonna help you. बेसब्री कोई help नहीं करेगी, ठीक है? आराम से करते चले, धीरे धीरे बहुत सी चीजें है ना. इस मामले में आई रियली अप्रिशिएट संयोगिता मैम, बड़ी आराम से धीरे धीरे चीजों को अप्रिशिएट करती हैं. समटाइम्स आई टेल हर कि संयोगिता मैम ये वाला बाद में बात करते हैं, राइट? And in that is the moment when you guys need to appreciate me, the right way. Because when I say बाद में बात करते हैं, I'm making a very, very important decision not to talk about it now. Trust me on that, okay? Okay, let's see. So guys, she says, when I get up at 8 on Saturday morning, I'm very hungry. So I have breakfast in a cafe. So I have breakfast in a cafe. So she has breakfast in a cafe. All right, Irshad. After breakfast, I do exercises. 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 Breakfast is a noun. Breakfast is a noun. Okay, everybody? After breakfast. लेकिन अगर मैं कहूँ,
Sir, I have question.
yeah, I have a question. I have a question. Not
I
I have
have a
question.
question.
Yeah, what is your question?
After के बाद if we use verb तो plus ing, sir.
वही बोलने वाला था
Okay,
मैं.
sir. Okay,
I was
okay,
just
sir.
going to say that. After breakfast, breakfast is a noun, right? But imagine मैं कहूँ सोने के बाद या मैं कहूँ, जागने के बाद, then how will I say this?
After waking
After
up.
get up. After
No,
getting-
no, Sanyukta ma'am, not after get up. After getting up, okay? After getting up, okay? After getting up, I do exercises. जागने के बाद, ठीक है? What do you do after getting up? What do you do after getting up? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do after getting up? Atif is smiling because he goes to the washroom. He goes to the loo. I drink 3 glasses of water first, and then I go to the loo. Go to the loo, L-O-O, loo, okay? Go to the loo. All right, a common expression. I go to the loo means toilet, okay? वॉशरूम, जो भी आप बोलते हो, आई गो टू द लू, ये थोड़ा इनफॉर्मल है दोस्तों, फैमिली के बीच बोले जाने वाला वर्ड। ओके,
What do you do after getting up?
ये आफ्टर गेटिंग अप। हाँ सर, क्लास खत्म करने के बाद आप क्या करते हैं, कैसे पूछोगे? व्हाट डू यू डू सर आफ्टर?
After ending the class.
After end the class.
Ending the
No,
class.
no, no, no,
After
ma'am, no.
in the
After
class.
ending the
After ending,
After
after
finishing the
finish,
class.
finishing the
after
class,
finish
सुना
the
है आप लोगों
class.
ने? finish है ना?
After
Yes,
After
yes.
finishing the class. कई बार क्या होता है, there are multiple words with similar meanings, आपको आदत पड़ जाती है सुनते सुनते एक वर्ड की, वही सही होता, वही आप बोलना चाहते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पर आप end बोलना चाहते हैं या finish बोलना चाहते हैं?
Finish भी बोलना
हाँ,
finishing.
right. So सही natural sentence है, what do you do after finishing the class? Okay. Okay. Fine, let's continue. After breakfast, I do exercises and then go for a long walk next to the sea. After breakfast, I do exercises and then go for a long walk next to the sea. Where does she go for a long walk?
Next to the
next
sea.
to the sea.
Next to the sea, all right?
Sea के बगल में.
I go for a long walk next to the sea. Next, in the afternoon, in Hindi,
दोपहर में.
English, दोपहर में का English?
In the afternoon.
The afternoon.
और सुबह में?
Afternoon.
In the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
शाम में?
In
In the evening.
In the evening, all right? In the evening. तो बस ऐसे ही ध्यान देते रहिए ऐसे phrases पे, और यही मुंह से निकलना चाहिए। अगर in evening निकल गया ना, then there is a problem, okay? I hope you understand. In morning नहीं बोल सकते, जबकि हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं सुबह में, लेकिन इंग्लिश में in morning नहीं बोलते। क्या बोलते हैं?
In the
In the
morning.
morning.
In the morning, okay? These are small things which matter a lot. If you say in morning, people will think क्या मतलब fluency आ जाएगी ना, तब पर भी problem है, okay? Because in India, correct English matters, okay?
और
So,
कोई चीज मिल जाता है तो भी तो get बोलते हैं ना सर, जैसे
हाँ,
I
get
get.
has multiple meanings. Get has multiple meanings. You will keep learning different uses of the word get in the course, okay? In each unit, you will learn something about the word get. Don't worry. The word get has most meanings. I think no verb has as many uses as get. Okay, get ऐसा verb है जो एक 3 letter word है, इसके इतने uses हैं जो शायद किसी एक verb के नहीं हो सकते इतने. It is so multi-purpose, okay? After breakfast, I do exercises and then go for a long walk. Walk, everybody, right? Walk, right? How do we pronounce this word?
Walk.
Walk. Yeah. We go for a long walk next to the sea. In the afternoon, I go out on my boat. In the afternoon, I go out on my boat. So she has a boat, guys, okay? She's not a poor woman. She has a boat. In the afternoon, I go out on my boat and have a picnic. In the afternoon, I go out on my boat and have a picnic. Okay? She has a picnic. She goes out on her boat and has a picnic. What is a picnic? First of all, the part of a speech of the word picnic. What is the part of a speech of the word picnic? Look at the sentence.
Have a picnic.
Noun, sir.
Everybody, it is easy. A picnic. So clearly, picnic is a noun, okay? A is used before nouns, okay? Right? So
Yes, sir.
I go out on my boat and have a picnic. Please understand. A means एक, और एक कोई चीजें noun होती हैं, right? तो मुझे बताओ, picnic is a noun. Noun हो सकता है एक person, एक place और एक thing. तो बताओ पिकनिक क्या है? पर्सन है, प्लेस है कि थिंग है?
Place.
Yes.
प्लेस नहीं होता है पिकनिक, ओके?
Yes, okay.
पिकनिक एक थिंग होता है, चीज है, कैसी चीज है वो समझने की जरूरत है। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पिकनिक इज एन इवेंट, पिकनिक इज एन
Event.
event. Okay, so when an event, when you take your food from home and you eat it outside, okay, that event is called picnic. I think you guys all know the word picnic. You have always heard the word go on a picnic, have a picnic, go on picnic, have a picnic. Okay, go on picnic, go on picnic.
Picnic.
Do you often go on picnic?
Usually December and January.
That's great. My question was, do you often? Do you often? I didn't say when. I said, do you often go on picnic?
Yes. I don't.
Okay.
January, sir.
Who do you go on picnic with? Who do you go on picnic with?
Um,
Who on January?
No, my question is who, not when.
who do you
Sulekha,
go?
who,
Family.
not when. Sulekha, my question is
With
who.
family and friends.
I go picnic with my family and
You go on picnic with your family and friends, right?
yes.
Okay, very good. All right. Notice, picnic has two meanings. One, the event is called picnic, and two, the food is also called picnic. What is your favorite picnic? What is your favorite picnic? Picnic means food. Picnic means food here, okay? Food that you eat on picnic is called picnic too. Remember, the food that you take out of home to eat in a park, to eat on a hill, okay? That food is called picnic. So what is your favorite picnic?
What is your favorite picnic?
Do you understand my question or I need to explain again?
No,
Yes,
sir. I do not
My
understand.
favorite picnic barbecue.
Your favorite picnic is barbecued meat. Okay. Other people? My favorite picnic is egg pakoras. Okay. And
Biryani.
your favorite picnic is biryani, right? Yeah.
My
And
favorite topic is
yes,
Malai Paneer.
Shabnam's favorite picnic is malai paneer. आप मलाई पनीर लेके जाती हैं पिकनिक पे, right, Shabnam?
Yes, sir. I could.
Yeah. तो यही जो हम लोग खाना लेके जाते हैं या बनाते हैं, पिकनिक करते हैं, all right? तो याद रखना, picnic refers to two things. The event, Shabnam, mute yourself, Shabnam, please. Your mic is very noisy today. So the event is a picnic and the food is also called picnic. याद रखें. The food is picnic and event is also picnic. देखो होता है क्या ना, हम लोग हिंदी सीधे पूछते हैं, कैटेगरी नहीं समझना चाहते. आप मुझे बताओ, इवेंट मतलब समझते हो? इवेंट.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Event
तो
मतलब
कुछ चीज जो करते हैं, कुछ चीज जो होता है उसको इवेंट कहते हैं, राइट? जैसे होली इज एन इवेंट, राइट?
हाँ,
बर्थडे
yes, sir.
इज एन इवेंट, राइट? टीचर्स
Yes.
डे सेलिब्रेशन इज एन इवेंट, राइट?
Event.
तो इवेंट समझ रहे हो? मैरिज सेरेमनी इज एन इवेंट, राइट? तो ऐसे करके हमें वोकैबुलरी सीखनी होती है, हिंदी खाली नहीं. Those people who learn just हिंदी, वो दिमाग नहीं बना कर सकते, वो तोते की तरह याद करते चले जाएंगे. And we don't want that. So मैं हिंदी करने की जगह आपको समझा रहा हूं. Picnic is an event, one, and two, picnic is the food that you take on this event. That food is also called picnic. If somebody says, hey, chicken chili with puri or with paratha is my favorite picnic, तो आप समझ जाओ ये आदमी कौन सा खाना लेके जाना पसंद करता है पिकनिक पे या बनाना पसंद करता है. Chicken chili with puri, chicken chili with paratha. This is his favorite picnic.
कैसे मिलेगा मुझे?
Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So she says, I go out on my boat and have a picnic. Okay? अब आप बोलोगे she's crazy. because she has a picnic alone. Most of us, have you ever had a picnic alone, guys? Have you ever had a picnic on your own?
No. No, sir.
Never, no. Never.
Never.
What's the point of having a picnic alone? But this girl, this woman, she has a picnic on her own. She says, I watch birds and enjoy the quiet. She enjoys the quiet, just me, the birds, and the sea. Where does she go on picnic? Answer. Where does she go on picnic?
Next to the
She goes to the sea,
Next
not
to
next
the
to the
sea.
sea. No. She doesn't go next to
We
the
go
sea.
to the sea.
She goes out on her boat. You can understand. She goes to the
Yes.
sea. She goes to the sea.
To the sea.
Yeah, exactly. It's not next to the sea. Next to the sea means on the beach, right? Next to the sea
Yes.
means on the beach.
Beach. On
But
the
now
beach.
she's on her boat. तो boat पे होगी तो वो beach पे होगी कि पानी में? Think about it.
in the
Right.
side of
Yeah. So she goes, she has a picnic on her boat. It means she goes to the sea. वो समंदर में चली जाती हैं. Okay. So my question was, where does she go on picnic? She goes to the sea. She goes to the sea. Can you imagine? Can you
Because-
visualize it? She's on
Yes.
her boat in the middle of the sea, right? There's
Yes.
nothing, just her and the birds, and in the water, the sea and the birds. There are some birds as well. You might have read, okay, that there are some birds, at sea. They find fish and other animals, to eat. Okay, so I enjoy the quiet. Just me, the birds, and the sea. Which birds? Are we talking about sparrows and crows here?
no sir, water bird.
No,
No,
no.
those birds which are found near the sea. All right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Seagull, suna hoga, right?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are talking about those birds, okay? She enjoys the quiet. Do you sometimes go to a place like a mountain, hill, top, and sit there and enjoy the quiet?
Yes.
A lot of people go to Rajgir.
Sometimes I do.
Yeah, people go to Rajgir, they climb the hills in Rajgir and they get to the top, and there they just sit and relax and enjoy the quiet. वहाँ जो
Yes.
शांति होती है उस चीज को enjoy करते हैं. They enjoy the quiet.
Sir, I want to leave, sir.
Okay, Shabnam, please, no problems. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, see ya. In the afternoon, I go out on my boat and have a picnic. I watch birds and enjoy the quiet. I can hear the noises. I can still hear the noises. Okay, it was from, Shabnam. Okay, I watch birds and enjoy the quiet. I hope, दो बार हमने quiet word देखा, guys. Okay, first it's very quiet yesterday. That quiet was an adjective, dear students. Quiet. We describe places, people, okay, classes. We say it is a quiet class today. It is a quiet class today. यानी कि आज का क्लास noisy नहीं है, right? तो quiet is the opposite of noisy. एक word को different parts of a speech में कैसे appreciate करते हैं देखिए दोस्तों, please learn. आप कह सकते हो Sana is a quiet girl. Sana is a quiet girl. Now in this sentence, quiet is an adjective. It describes a girl, right? You know adjectives. A beautiful girl, a quiet girl. I hope you understand. Quiet is an adjective. But now the sentence is, I enjoy the quiet. I enjoy the quiet. अब इस sentence में quiet मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? शांति, ना कि कोई चीज. ये किसी को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर रहे, एक चीज है जिसको एंजॉय करते हैं. I enjoy the quiet. Tell me, dear students, do you understand the difference between noise and noisy?
Noise.
Noise and noisy. Do you understand the difference? Noise
sir.
and noisy. Let's understand. Noise is sure, a thing, right? Noise is halla, a thing, okay? जोर की आवाजें, noise, okay? It's a thing. Noisy is an adjective. For example, my house is very noisy when my sister's children are here. My house is very noisy. My house is noisy. Noisy is an adjective, dear students. Do you appreciate the difference now between noise and noisy, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Noise and noisy are not the same words. They sound very similar, but they are different. One is a noun and the other is an adjective. अब आप क्या बोलोगे? My house is noise या my house is noisy?
My house
is noisy.
Noisy.
I don't like noise or I don't like noisy.
I don't like noise.
I
Noise.
don't
Don't
like
like
noise.
noise.
noisy place. ऐसे बोल सकते
मैंने
हैं ना
मैंने
सर,
वो
I
बोला
don't
नहीं,
like
ऑप्शन नहीं दिया,
noisy
मैंने वो
place.
ऑप्शन नहीं दिया। अभी मेरे दो ऑप्शन में से
सर-
चुन ले। I don't like noise, I don't like noisy.
I don't like noise.
I don't like
I
noise.
don't like noise.
I don't like noise because आप कोई चीज
सर।
को पसंद नहीं करते, राइट? और यहाँ
हाँ,
कौन
हाँ।
सी चीज को नहीं पसंद करते? नॉइज को।
Noisy.
तो
Noisy.
नॉइज को जब आपने चीज बोला तो चीजें
हम्म।
नाउन होती हैं। चीजें क्या होती हैं?
Noun.
तो जब चीजें नाउन होती हैं तो नॉइज नाउन है ना? और नॉइजी क्या है? एक एडजेक्टिव। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नाउन खाली बोलने के लिए चीज नहीं, मुंह से नाउन नाउन बोल रहे हैं, महसूस करिए। नाउन मतलब कोई चीज, जैसे विंडो अगर नाउन है, जैसे एयर नाउन है, जैसे हाउस नाउन है, वैसे नॉइज भी एक नाउन है। तो आप बोलेंगे विंडो तो सर देखते हैं, हाउस तो देखते हैं, नॉइज नॉइज सुनते हैं, सुनने की चीज है, लेकिन चीज तो है ना।
Yes.
Hmm.
तो
Yes,
चीजें क्या होती हैं दोस्तों?
Noun.
चीजें नाउन होती हैं, ओके? तो नॉइज नाउन है, नॉइजी एडजेक्टिव है। लेकिन दोनों का उल्टा एक ही वर्ड देखो ना, नॉइजी का उल्टा क्वाइट,
Quiet.
ओके? ए नॉइजी चाइल्ड, बेटा, ए नॉइजी चाइल्ड, यू अंडरस्टैंड? और नॉइज चाइल्ड, व्हिच इज करेक्ट?
A
Noisy.
A noisy
child.
child.
Noisy child.
A noisy child. Noisy is an adjective, right? It describes
Yeah.
the child, a noisy child. But opposite?
Quiet.
A quiet child.
ऐसे नहीं बोलना था ना, याद करो, मैंने कल बुलवाया था। Quiet.
Quiet.
Yes.
Quiet.
A quiet child, okay?
A quiet child.
Okay. There is a lot of noise in my house. बोलना?
There is
There is a lot of noise in my house.
in my house.
Okay. I like the quiet in my house.
I
I
like
like the quiet in my house.
in my house.
I like the quiet in my
The-
house.
I like the
Like
quiet
the
in my
quiet
house.
in my house.
I don't like the noise in my house.
I
I
don't
don't
like.
like the
Don't like
noise in my
noise
house.
in my house.
तो अब इस क्वाइट को क्या कहोगे? एडजेक्टिव या नाउन? I don't like the quiet in my house.
adjective.
Noun.
Adjective, sir.
Adjective.
किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं ये एडजेक्टिव?
Noun को,
House
house
को।
को.
नहीं,
House.
मैंने नहीं कहा ऐसा। मैंने कहा आई डोंट लाइक द क्वाइट इन माई हाउस। मैंने कब क्वाइट हाउस कहा? अगर मैं क्वाइट हाउस बोलूंगा तो क्वाइट एक एडजेक्टिव है जो हाउस को डिस्क्राइब
Adjective.
कर रहा है। मैंने कहा आई डोंट लाइक द क्वाइट इन माई हाउस। रिपीट करना।
I
I
don't
don't like the
quiet.
quiet in my
Like
house.
quiet in my house.
इसका मतलब वो मुझे मेरे घर में जो शांति है पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है? आई डोंट लाइक द क्वाइट, आई डोंट लाइक समथिंग। तो ये क्वाइट समथिंग है, समथिंग मतलब चीज, चीज मतलब नाउन। तो ये नाउन था। आपने इन माई हाउस की वजह से उसको एडजेक्टिव सोच लिया, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अगर मैं कहूँ आई डोंट लाइक द चिल्ड्रन इन माई हाउस, तो चिल्ड्रन एडजेक्टिव है क्या?
No, sir.
नहीं.
तो
नहीं,
जैसे
sir.
आई डोंट लाइक द
Noun.
चिल्ड्रन इन माई हाउस, वैसे ही आई डोंट लाइक द क्वाइट इन माई हाउस। मेरे घर में जो शांति है मुझे पसंद नहीं, हालांकि मुझे पसंद होती है। आई लाइक द क्वाइट इन माई हाउस, आई लाइक द
Quiet in my house.
क्वाइट इन माई हाउस। तो धीरे धीरे ये सब समझ बनेगी। ऐसे समझ लीजिए कि 15 किलो का वजन है और एक 6 साल के बच्चे को उठाना है, तो अभी नहीं उठा सकता, उसके मसल्स इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं है। 15 किलो ही रहेगा। लेकिन ये बच्चा जब 9 साल का होगा और थोड़ा अच्छा खासा खाना पीना खा के बड़ा हो रहा होगा, तो ही कैन लिफ्ट 15 किलोज। पॉइंट ये है कि 15 किलो नहीं आसान होने वाला, इसकी मसल्स इंप्रूव हो जाएगी। तो अभी जो बातें मैं बता रहा हूँ, इसके लिए आपके दिमाग में जो जगह होनी चाहिए, जो स्ट्रेंथ होनी चाहिए, वो धीरे धीरे मैं बिल्ड करूंगा। आप यही सवाल सेंटेंस जो मैं अभी बोल रहा, अगर इस क्लास के रिकॉर्डिंग आज से 4 महीने बाद 5 महीने बाद देखोगे, तो आपको बहुत आसान लगेगा, क्योंकि उस समय तक आपकी ग्रोथ हो चुकी होगी। ठीक है, उसकी तरफ हम लोग बढ़ रहे हैं। फिर से समझाता हूँ। I don't like the noise in my house. Repeat.
I
don't
don't
like the noise
like
in my
noise
house.
I
in my
don't
house.
You understand what you said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Noise is a noun or an adjective?
No.
Noun.
It's a noun.
It's a noun.
I don't like something. इसका याद करने का जरूरत नहीं है, समझिए कि मुझे कोई चीज पसंद नहीं है। चीजें क्या होती हैं?
Noun.
Noun.
नाउन
Noun.
होती हैं, बस इसलिए। ठीक है, हर नाउन एक चीज होती है। ओके, बात समझ में आई? नाउन्स क्या होते हैं? चीज। ओके, देखो 3 ही चीज होते हैं नाउन। एक आदमी होगा, एक जगह होगा, और एक चीज होगा। ठीक है, अब चीजें छूने वाली हो सकती हैं, दिखने वाली
Feel
हो
करने
सकती
वाले.
हैं, फील करने वाली हो सकती है, लेकिन चीजें हैं वो। ओके, तो द सेंटेंस इज आई एंजॉय द क्वाइट। आई एंजॉय द क्वाइट।
Quiet.
Quiet.
I enjoy the
Quiet.
quiet. Just me, the birds, and the sea. In the evening, I read. In the evening, I read. कितना simple sentence है दोस्तों? In the evening, I read. What do you think she reads? Course books? Course books? Is she a student? Is she a student?
No.
She's
No,
not a
sir.
student. She's a
Working
comedian.
woman.
She's an actor.
Yes,
So
sir.
reading is just an activity when you have something like a newspaper, a magazine, a storybook, okay, anything, and you read. Some people like reading. Anybody here likes reading? Okay, so she reads in the evening. Now I can tell you, TV is not her favorite thing. Okay, because she doesn't have a TV in the cottage. In the evening, she reads. And she says, I don't have a TV in the cottage. Why? She doesn't want a TV, maybe. No? Maybe she doesn't enjoy watching TV a lot. TV is just a pastime. On Friday evening, she watches TV for an hour. Remember? Ek ghante, for an hour. Because she needs to wait for the rush hour to finish. Just that, like that. That's why she watches TV, just to kill time, not because she enjoys watching TV. I think. She says, I read. In the evening, I read. Sham mein hum kuch padhte hain. I read. I don't have a TV in the cottage. Now, Sunday morning. On Sunday morning, I listen to music. On Sunday morning, she listens to music. Listen to music. Notice this. Listen, music. No, listen to music. She listens to music on Sunday morning. Again, the phrase on Sunday morning. And then go for a really long walk. अब मैं बोलूं म्यूजिक सुनने के बाद कैसे बोलेंगे दोस्तों?
Music.
English?
After listening music.
After listening to music.
After listening.
After listen to music.
After listening to music.
After listening to
After listening
after
to music.
listening to music.
Okay, well done, Moni. You're learning fast, Moni. Okay, keep paying attention. Everybody, I told you listen is a verb now. So we will not
Yes,
say after listen. We will say after
Listening.
to listening to music. Okay. After listening to music, she goes for a really long walk. She goes for a really long walk, not just a small, short walk. She goes for a really long walk to a pub. Pub is a shop where you can eat, drink. All right. Pub is a place where you can eat and drink. And pubs are in the countryside in England. You find pubs in the countryside. Okay. So she says, I go for a really long walk to a pub. I go for a really long walk to a pub. Okay. She goes for a really long walk to a pub. So dear students, वो pub उसके घर के cottage के पास है या दूर है? Is the cottage pub close to the cottage or very far from the cottage?
Far
Very
from the
far.
cottage.
Very
So
far.
far,
Because she
sir,
asked
so
a
far.
long walk
Because
to a
they-
pub.
Because she goes for a really long walk
walk.
to that pub. It means that pub is not near to her cottage, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Say this in Hindi. इसको हिंदी में कैसे बोलेंगे?
वो एक लंबे
बहुत
दूरी
दूर
तक
बहुत दूर
बहुत
चल के
दूर
पब में
मतलब
जाता है।
बहुत दूर चलकर एक पब में जाती है।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. She goes for a really long walk to a pub where she has lunch. Where she has lunch. So
Lunch.
where does she have lunch?
In the pub.
In the pub.
In
In
a
the pub.
pub,
In a
right?
pub.
In a
Yeah,
pub.
good.
In a pub.
And she has lunch dash a real Sunday lunch, a real Sunday lunch. The lunch is a real Sunday lunch. A real Sunday lunch. अब ये क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? A real Sunday lunch with a roast and lots of vegetables. Now my question is, what is a usual typical lunch in England? यूजुअल टिपिकल लंच जो सारे लोग ज्यादातर लोग करते हैं लंच, वो लंच क्या है बताओ इंग्लैंड में?
चिकन।
Roast.
रोस्ट, ए रोस्ट. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ लिखा है रियल संडे लंच. अब मैं आपको सुनाता हूँ अपने घर के बारे में, मेरे बारे में. ओके, ऑन सैटरडे आफ्टरनून आई हैव लंच एट होम. ऑन सैटरडे आफ्टरनून I have lunch at home. A real Saturday lunch dash. आगे क्या बोलूंगा दोस्तों?
खिचड़ी चोखा।
Hey, good, very nice. Renu, I
real
don't know about
Sunday
you.
lunch.
Renu is not from
Yes, sir.
Bihar, so maybe it is
Yes,
different
sir.
for her. Renu, you know, here in Bihar, we people
Yes,
on Saturday afternoon eat khichdi. Do you know what khichdi is, Renu?
Yes, sir.
Right. So do you have a fixed day in the week to have khichdi?
On Saturday.
No, sir.
But in a majority of houses in Bihar, they have khichdi on Saturday afternoon. Most people have lunch on Saturday. It's
But I
a
used to eat, sir.
khichdi on
Yes, sir.
On?
In evening time.
in the evening. Which day?
Yes, sir. In the
Which day?
evening, sir.
Which day?
Few months ago, sir.
My question is, which day of the week you had
Okay, sir.
khichdi?
Not, sir. अभी नहीं. कुछ
I know
महीने पहले
earlier,
Yes, sir.
but which day? Was there a fixed day or any day?
Every day. In every.
Oh, you had
evening, sir.
khichdi every day.
Yes.
Okay, that's a
Yes, sir.
personal choice to have
Yes, sir.
khichdi every day, but there is a cultural thing, a tradition in Bihar. Saturday is khichdi day, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Saturday is
Saturday was
khichdi day.
खिचड़ी।
Saturday is khichdi day. Okay, so that's why I said a real Saturday lunch, and
Yes.
then dash khichdi and chokha. समझ में आ गया? अब आप
Yes, sir.
बताओ. He has, she has a real Sunday lunch. तो आप बताओ कि वो लोग अक्सर क्या खाते हैं संडे को?
A roast and a lots
Roast.
of
A roast and lots of
And lots of
vegetables.
Vegetable.
तो ये संडे का लंच है भाई लोगों
roast
का
and
इंग्लैंड
lots
में.
of
इंग्लैंड में
vegetables.
ज्यादातर लोग ये खाते हैं क्योंकि क्या लिखा है? रियल संडे लंच. अब समझ में आ गया किस तरह से ये बात
Yes,
चल
sir.
रही है?
Yes,
A
sir.
real Sunday lunch with a roast and lots of vegetables. Now, people, if you don't understand what roast is, give me a second. I'll show you what a roast is, okay? Basically, take a look, roast. Now, what kind of meat you choose is up to you totally. The choice of meat depends on where you live, what your beliefs are, right? For example, people in England, they eat everything. They eat cow's meat, pig's meat. They don't differentiate, okay? For them, it's all meat, okay? Chicken, mutton, pork, beef. They eat everything, guys, okay? By the way, dear students, the word beef does not only refer to cow's meat, okay? The word beef refers to the meat that comes from cows, buffaloes, oxen, all of them, okay? Calves, bachde. So even their meat is called beef, okay? So please understand that. It doesn't always mean only cow's meat, okay? All right, let's continue. So on Sunday morning, I listen to music, then go for a really long walk to a pub where I have lunch, a real Sunday lunch with a roast and lots of vegetables. So that is a Sunday lunch, typical, usual Sunday lunch, okay, in England. And then she says, I leave the cottage at 8, about 5. Sorry, I leave the cottage at about 5. I leave the cottage at about 5. At about 5 o'clock, she leaves the cottage on Sunday evening. We are talking about Sunday evening, guys, right?
Yes.
On Sunday evening, she leaves the cottage at about 5. She says she doesn't like driving in bad traffic. She says she doesn't like driving in bad traffic, but she likes driving, okay? But not in bad traffic. Then next sentence, back in London, इसका क्या मतलब निकालेंगे हम लोग?
लंदन में वापस
आना नहीं, लंदन
Well,
आके, लंदन
लंदन-
वापस आके, alright.
वापस
Back in London, जब वो वापस लंदन आ जाती हैं on Sunday evening, back in London on Sunday evening, I go to the cinema. So when she's back in London on Sunday evening, she goes to the cinema. So she likes going to the cinema, right? On Sunday evening, she goes to the cinema, but not outside England. Not outside London, in London. When she is back in London, when she is
Back in London.
back in London, yeah, when she's back in London on Sunday evening, she goes to the cinema. And then read this part. I like my job. It's but it's difficult. I like my job, but it's difficult. After a lovely, relaxing weekend. Now, in this sentence, dear students, can you tell me the noun and the adjective? After a lovely, relaxing weekend, in this part, can you tell me the adjectives and the nouns? After,
Relaxing is noun.
ए देखिए ए लवली है तो इसका मतलब ये नाउन
नहीं मैं जान रहा था ये परेशानी होगी, so I asked, let me explain, okay? A good boy, तो क्या good noun है?
नो सर,
एडजेक्टिव
ऐसे तो लवली एडजेक्टिव है सर.
बस तो वो एडजेक्टिव ही है. मैं बताता हूँ वो क्यों है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. A boy, boy is a noun because a के बाद noun आता है. But if you want to describe that boy, then you say a fat boy.
तो फैट का एडजेक्टिव है.
तो फैट तो एडजेक्टिव है. तो वो बात जो मैंने कही ना कि a के बाद noun आता है, it's correct. But you need to be smart about it ना. I hope you understand everyone. If I say a tall teacher, okay, a tall teacher, तो tall क्या noun है?
नो सर.
No. So please read this. After a lovely, relaxing weekend. What is the noun? What is the adjective?
Lovely adjective.
Lovely is an adjective.
रिलैक्सिंग इज
Relaxing is a noun.
Relaxing is a noun.
Yes.
आप लोग noun और adjective महसूस नहीं करते. क्या चीजें होती हैं वो नहीं जानते ना. नाउन कोई चीज होता है ना. वीकेंड नाउन है. वीकेंड नाउन है दोस्तों. क्या है नाउन? वीकेंड. आपके इंग्लिश बहुत लो लेवल पे है, ठीक है. बहुत और बहुत काम करना हम लोगों को. ओके, ऐसे खाली आप लोग खाली नाउन एडजेक्टिव बोलते रहते, उसको फील नहीं करते. ठीक, आपको हर एक बार जब कोई चीज को नाउन बोलो तो महसूस करो, उसको हिंदी में भी सोचो और कहो ये नाउन है। और ये सबसे फनी इसलिए है कि हिंदी में भी संज्ञा होता है ना, और आप नहीं जानते क्या है संज्ञा। ये बहुत ही फनी है, ठीक है। तो आपने कह दिया रिलैक्सिंग एक नाउन है। रिलैक्सिंग कैसे नाउन हो सकता है? नाउन तो कोई चीज है, कौन सी चीज की बात कर रहे हो? मैं कहूँ रिलैक्सिंग हॉलीडे, अ रिलैक्सिंग डे, अ रिलैक्सिंग एक्सपीरियंस, तो रिलैक्सिंग तो डिस्क्राइब करता है कि वो आराम, अच्छा लगा।
सर एडजेक्टिव है
रिलैक्सिंग,
रिलैक्सिंग।
yes yes Renu, relaxing is an adjective, okay? A relaxing massage, a relaxing, अच्छा मैंने मसाज कर दिया आपको, या आपने मसाज लिया 500 रुपए खर्च करके और आपको कुछ फायदा, आराम नहीं मिला, तो आप उस मसाज को रिलैक्सिंग मसाज कहोगे?
नहीं।
नो। बट मसाज के बाद आपको लग रहा है आप बहुत अच्छे से सोना चाह रहे हो, इट मीन्स इट वाज ए
गुड मसाज।
रिलैक्सिंग मसाज।
इट वाज ए रिलैक्सिंग मसाज। तो आप बताओ, रिलैक्सिंग इज एन एडजेक्टिव और अ नाउन, क्या सोचते हो आप? तो क्या आपने अपने दिमाग को बगैर यूज किए आंसर किया था कि रिलैक्सिंग इज अ नाउन? सोचो। After a lovely relaxing weekend,
Lovely is also sir adjective.
yes, it
Yes.
is. Lovely is an
adjective.
lovely is an adjective. Relaxing is an adjective. Okay. After हमेशा सोचो दोस्तों, जब तक आपने नाउन वर्ब एडजेक्टिव नहीं पहचानना और महसूस करना सीखा, लाइफ में कई शब्द है तुम्हारे जो नाउन्स हैं, कई शब्द है जो एडजेक्टिव्स, और तुम्हें नहीं पता तो तुम लैंग्वेज कैसे सीखोगे? कैसे? क्योंकि लैंग्वेज तो बने हैं शब्दों से, और शब्द की कैटेगरी होती है, और तुम कैटेगरी से एकदम एकदम दूर दूर से नाता नहीं रखते। तुम रिलैक्सिंग को नाउन बोल जाते हो, कैसे ऐसे होता है? इसका मतलब अभी दिमाग में वो कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है। बात समझ में आ रही है? खाली शब्द सुन रखे हैं तुम लोगों ने, शब्द सुने हैं कि नाउन एक शब्द है, एडजेक्टिव एक शब्द है, सुन रखा है ये शब्द, इसको महसूस नहीं करते हो। चलो सोचो, कम से कम 5-6 एडजेक्टिव्स मुझे जल्दी जल्दी बोल के दिखाओ, सबके सब सिर्फ एडजेक्टिव्स, जल्दी जल्दी, क्विक।
ब्यूटीफुल, हैंडसम,
Happy.
मार्केट,
मार्केट इज नॉट एन एडजेक्टिव।
Market.
Expensive. Long.
Expensive
Rich.
and lovely.
रिच,
Rich तो है ही, and
Fatty woman में sir fatty is a
ऑनेस्ट,
adjective.
हैंडसम,
तो ये सब वर्ड्स खाली बोलते हुए आप महसूस करते हो कि ये डिस्क्राइब करने वाले शब्द है ना किसी को?
yes sir.
यस,
खुद चीज नहीं है, ये चीजों को डिस्क्राइब करती है, खुद चीज नहीं है, राइट? ये खुद अपने आप में चीज नहीं है, ये डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करेगा। ऑनेस्ट टीचर, ऑनेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स, ऑनेस्ट एफर्ट्स, ऑनेस्ट ऑनेस्ट एफर्ट्स, मतलब अपने तरफ से सही से कोशिश की थी कि खाली दिखाने के लिए किया?
सही से।
तो दैट इज ऑनेस्ट एफर्ट, राइट? और ऐसे दिखाने के लिए ऐसे पन्ने पलट रहे किताब के, या बैठ के 10
नहीं,
पन्ने
आप
लिख रहे।
ए पिकनिक बोले थे ना, इसीलिए हम ए में चले गए।
हम कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं मैम, कोई बात नहीं। हमारा काम है हम आपको कंफ्यूज भी करें और सिखाएं भी, क्योंकि वो बात भी सही था जो मैंने कहा ना कि ए के बाद नाउन आता है, ये बहुत कॉमन सेंस है, समझिएगा। ए के बाद नाउन क्यों आएगा दोस्तों? क्योंकि ए मतलब एक, तो एक क्या?
एक कोई भी चीज, जैसे आप
जो भी होगा नाउन ही होगा ना एक के बाद। सोच के देखो, एक किताब,
हाँ, एक के बाद एक बहुत
एक किताब, एक लड़की, एक घर, एक टीचर,
यस।
तो एक के बाद तो नाउन ही आना। लेकिन अब उस नाउन के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन वर्ड भी तो आ सकता है। ए बिग हाउस,
A quiet child.
a quiet child. ओके दोस्तों, अब आप लोगों की समझ थोड़ी बेहतर हुई है कल से, अभी 5-10 मिनट से पहले से अभी? आर यू नॉट बेटर? दिस इज द पर्पस, दिस इज द पर्पस। मुझे आपको 2-4 लाइन याद नहीं करवाने, आई हैव टू हेल्प यू डेवलप दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग। कहीं भी कुछ भी देखो, आपका दिमाग बेहतर काम करे। ओके, आफ्टर ए लवली रिलैक्सिंग वीकेंड, I don't really want to go back to work on Monday morning. I don't really want to
go back
to work on Monday morning.
to go back to work. Go back to work. I don't really want to go back to work. go back to work. काम पे वापस नहीं जाने का मन करता है on Monday morning. I think everybody can relate to this, now. When we relax on
Yes, sir.
Sunday, when we have a good time on Sunday, we don't want to start work or start school, you know, anything on Monday morning. But it's fine. But it's fine. I work with nice people. What does it mean? ये आखिरी लाइन क्यों लिखा? But it's fine. I work with nice people. मतलब ये बन जाता है रीजन जाने का, right?
Yes.
Yes.
But it's fine. I work with nice people. A lot of children don't go to school on Monday morning to study. They don't have the mood to study. They just go to meet their friends,
Yes.
right? That my friend will be there. Let's go. So similarly, on Monday morning, she doesn't want to work, but she goes just because she works with nice people. So that's a good thing. If you like your colleagues, if you like your classmates, if you like your schoolmates, then it helps, you know. Okay. So guys, that is the text about this woman. I want you to read the text again, the way I teach you, okay? Paying attention to every word, phrase that you see here. This is how you do deep learning, dear students. You can finish this text in half an hour, 20 minutes, or you can read this text over an hour, maybe longer. When you go deeper into the sentences, right? When you try to analyze every phrase written here, when you try to ask yourself, अच्छा, I leave the cottage. हम cottage से छोड़ के निकल आते हैं, तो हम भी तो बोल सकते हैं, I leave home early morning, at 9 o'clock for office. I leave home, है ना? वैसे ही,
Yes, sir.
okay? So do deep learning, everybody. And as I said that I was supposed to give you an audio file.
Yesterday you asked, sir.
I said, but I
can,
forgot to. I forgot to. And never mind. I am going to share it with you today. Ye dekho, 3.9. There is an audio file. Dr. Susan Hall is speaking. And I'm sharing this audio file with you in the group 3.9. 3.9. Just listen. Just listen. Don't do anything. Just enjoy listening. Try and understand what she's saying in the audio. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Hopefully we'll have a bigger class. All the students will be present. And Fahad, you can text me if you want to talk to me anymore. Bye-bye, guys. Some more. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.